Mama.
Hey, swing your feet in the car. Sit down.
Okay.
Sit down.
Mama, I'm going to jail. They pulled me over and said I got a warrant for assault and battery.
Yeah, 1 minute.
That desperate call to her mother is the ending. But it is not the beginning. Moments ago, this Chevrolet was flying through traffic and blowing past Charleston police. Jumping out before an officer even gets close is a major red flag. This stop changed the second she opened that door.
What? Are you driving this car? Are you driving this car?
Yeah, sorry.
All right, so this is a traffic stop then.
Oh, okay. I apologize. Yeah, I'm talking.
Do video special. Show me traffic stop at the 7-Eleven, Cross County, and Ashley Phosphate State Tag on a white Chevy Equinox. Are you the only one in this car?
Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
I was just coming to go to the bathroom. That's why I was coming so fast. Can I go to the bathroom?
No, because this is a traffic stop. You got to come sit on the hood of my car over here.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, that's fine.
You have your driver's license, registration, insurance?
I do. Can I get the registration out the car?
No, I'm not worried about that. Do you have your license on you?
I do.
Okay.
Here you go, sir.
The bathroom excuse is a classic move to create a fake emergency. She wants the officer to skip the background check. But for police, a full bladder often hides a criminal record.
So that's why we were in such a rush?
Yeah, I had to pee so
We use the
bad.
bathroom?
Yeah, that's all I got to do. I got to pee so bad. I was just coming from my homegirl house. My birthday is on Monday. I just say I got to pee. Let me go to the gas station.
Okay.
That's the only reason why. I don't have nothing on me. No, nothing like that. I just...
Okay, just have a seat right here for me, all right?
That's fine, sir.
All right, thank you.
To go pee.
Hey, can you put the hood on the hood, phone on the hood of my car, please?
Yeah, that's fine.
Can you take your fanny pack off for me?
Of course.
Thank you. All right, just do me a favor, put your hands behind your back for me.
Why are you arresting me if I don't mind?
All right, so you have a possible warrant out of the City of Charleston Police Department for simple assault, okay?
The bathroom story did not work, and now the warrant is confirmed. A warrant is a legal command to arrest no matter what. Handcuffs go on first because safety is the only priority once a warrant is found.
Can you call my mama, please? She got my kids. My kids.
All right, sit
my
there right
baby,
there one second.
My baby is a 12-month-old. I just called the police officer today. I promise there's nothing.
I got
like
one
that.
detained and a deal for
You
state when
can
you're
call
ready.
me everything. Can you call my mama? Call my mama. Just somebody, please call my mama. I don't even know her number. You gotta get my phone, baby. Yeah, I don't know. It's nothing like that, sir. I promise.
So is that why we were driving so fast?
No, I gotta go pee. I swear to God on my turn. I don't know nothing about that. I called the officers today before I even going anywhere.
Okay.
I promise you, sir. I just gotta go pee.
Did you not know that you might have a possible
I
warrant?
didn't never know nothing about that.
Okay.
I never knew nothing about that. I can be honest with you, completely honest with you.
Okay.
I just asking you to please call my mother. That's all.
All right, well, we can work on doing that for you, all right?
Thank you so much, sir.
All right.
Can I go to the restroom by any means?
Unfortunately, no, because you are detained at this time. If you
All
got to
right.
go, then you just go.
Okay.
Denying a bathroom break is a strict safety rule. Public restrooms are high risk for hiding weapons or flushing evidence.
My mom got my 7-month-old. Just please, my mom
Good.
got diabetes. She's gonna be stressed. Can you just please call my mom?
Yep, we can work on doing that for you, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Mama's calling back.
Mama.
Hey, swing your feet in the car. Sit down. Sit
Okay.
down.
Mama, I'm going to jail. They pulled me over and said I got a warrant for assault and
Yeah,
battery.
1 minute.
Listen, I'm gonna get your phone number when I get to the jail and I'll call you, okay? The girls are bringing my car. So be alert that somebody's gonna knock on the door, okay?
And what jail are you going to?
I'm going to Charleston County Detention Center, Mama.
I'm going to Florida tomorrow. What am I supposed to do at least?
You're okay, Mama. I'm a bond out of jail. If y'all gotta catch an Uber, y'all catch an Uber. But I'll be out. But I don't know if I'll be out in time to make it to take y'all. But I'm gonna get a ride, okay? Y'all okay? Okay, Mama? I'm okay.
Who's knocking on my door with your
I told the boy to come there because the police didn't want me to call you. So he's just telling you I was arrested.
Here, I'm going to put the phone on the cage. You can talk to her while
Okay,
I go
hold
finish
on,
up.
Mama. He gonna put it in the car. Hold on.
She got on shoes?
I'm going to go get him right now.
Mama. Yeah, Mama. You can hear me? Okay, the police is outside.
Yeah, let me grab this for her. Thank you.
Not a problem. Thank you.
All right, you all set.
That final call to her mother marks the end of a very long day. What started as a rush to the bathroom finished with a trip to the county jail. It is easy to judge these situations by the handcuffs, but the real story is in the choices. She tried to use a physical need to bypass a legal reality, but the law does not forget a warrant just because you are in a hurry. You cannot outrun your past with an excuse. Notice the balance the officer kept here. He stayed by the book for safety by denying the restroom, but he still showed humanity by letting her call home. This is the reality of the job, where safety and empathy must live together. What is your take on his decision? Was he too strict, or was he just doing his job? Drop a comment below. If you value these deep dives into the human side of the law, please subscribe to Blue Line Raw. We appreciate you being here. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there.